Hey guys, so we're gonna do a quick cooking tutorial, but before we do, I want to show you these really cool products. This goes on your dishwasher, and I don't know about you, but with me, whenever I do dishes and I put stuff in the dishwasher, I have no clue if they're clean or dirty. So I really love these because if you put some dirty stuff in the dishwasher, instead of like constantly having to remind people or remind yourself that it's dirty, you just get your dirty and your dirty, and you slap them on right here. Preferably the way that you can read it normally. So you have your dirty ones on there. And then if the stuff is done running a cycle or you just start to run it, you slap them backwards and now they say clean. So this is just a super fun kitchen gadget. It's something that is like super useful. You use it all the time and it's cute. It's aesthetically pleasing and I like it. So if you guys want to check it out, it's linked below. And I'll make sure to have any coupon codes listed there too. Now, let's get on to cooking. Look at how pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Do you feel dirty today or do you feel clean? You decide. All right, so now it's time to cook. We're gonna go over to this oven. We're gonna hit bake. And we're gonna set it to 4, 5, 0. And then we're gonna hit start, which I didn't do the last time, and then it took like a million years to preheat. Then we're gonna open this up, make sure we don't have anything in there. Nope, we don't, we're good, super. Next we get our Reynolds wrap. Cut it about this size. Fold it up like, silence on the set, Danny. Okay, fold it, and there's food in here. Guys, Danny. We're going a little out of order. We're gonna get ourselves a nice little frying pan here. Microwave works too, and we're gonna turn this on to really just like whatever, medium, high, it doesn't matter. We're just melting butter, it's nothing fancy. And then we're gonna grab our Land O'Lakes butter. Whoa, just smacked my camera into the stove, which is not super, I wouldn't advise. Okay, I grab a whole stick of butter because I really like butter. If you are worried about your heart or, you know, living a while, maybe don't. But you know, YOLO, I guess. So, get this whole stick of butter, and we just want to throw that on there and just wait around. Next, we grab, where is it? Next, we grab this cookie tray. Oh man. Not yet, apparently. One day my pan will come. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Then we grab our pan. I don't want that piece anymore. That piece is painted. Get our Reynolds wrap. Again, take two. Slap it on the pan. Put your hand in it. Your hand is like the faux salmon. You want to just like fold it around your hand like this, like so. We're just making a little pocket bed for our little salmon baby. We've got 3 little babies here. Okay, so we're gonna need 3 pockets. Okay, next you wanna grab your melted butter, and we're gonna need Danny the cameraman to hold the camera. We wanna get the butter nice and coated on the bottom. Ooh, that was a horrible noise. Nice and coated like so. We need to melt more of this butter. Okay, and then we're gonna grab our nice beauty salmon. This one doesn't have any skin, which is totally fine. And then we put them in our little bed of butter, because that's where they like to be. It makes them happy. So we need a little bit more butter for this, but in the meantime, we're gonna grab our garlic. Slap this on here. Garlic's fighting back. Okay, we're gonna get ourselves like, I don't know, 4 cloves of garlic. Might not use them all, but that's how many I like. So you wanna cut off the ends. There's a much easier way to do this with garlic, but I haven't learned it, so this garlic's a little rotten. So we're gonna cut off the rotten bits. You know, you go to the grocery store and you pay for groceries, and then they have the audacity to serve you rotten produce. It's like, are you serious? Just return the produce. See how much they like it, see how many rotten produce products they're selling after that. You're gonna be petty enough to return a 69-cent garlic? Maybe. Okay, so basically there's not much to this. We're just gonna cut it like big chunky chunks, because when they're swimming in the butter, they're gonna kind of like absorb some of that, so they're gonna be different. So, and you know, who doesn't love a mouthful of garlic when they're eating fish? So that's what we do. And you try not to cut yourself with the knife like how I just almost attempted to do. Okay, next we're gonna grab the lemons. For each of your little salmon babies, oh my god, there's a salmon missing. For each, what's happened? Okay, hold on. I'll save you. Let's go.
Throw that salmon baby.
All right, salmon babies in there. So for each of your salmon babies, I like to do 2 lemons each. Some people say that's too much. I say, forget you, because I like lemons. So, I don't know, put as much as you like. I think that a whole stick of butter and 2 lemons each is like appropriate. So, I don't know. So we're gonna squeeze these lemons straight into our salmon babies. So pour this in the salmon baby, and then sometimes you get like seeds, and so like super sanitary, you just wanna stick your hand in there and just throw the seeds out. And then I also like kind of like some pulp. So then what I like to do, grab handy dandy knife and just kind of go like this, real like barbarian like. I just kind of get all that pulp out, get a whole bunch of seeds, throw that out. I'll grow my lemon tree later. And yeah, just cut it up. All right, now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna scoop up all these little garlies and scoop them into our hand like this that we chopped up earlier. And then we're gonna put them on top of our little salmon babies. And I completely forgot about this step, so the 2 other salmon babies are all cozy in their knapsacks. Or I don't know, their sleeping bags. So what is going on here? So we're just gonna sneak some in there. And then we're gonna close them back up, go back to bed. It's gonna be okay. And then we'll open up this baby right here. Just sneak the rest of them in there. Oh, a couple more in there, a couple more in there. Go back, go back. Oh my gosh, I have a cut on my hand, it's burning. Okay, and then we'll just fold it up like this. Nice little hot potato. And we go over here, pop it in. Ooh, it's hot in the oven. And then we're just gonna wait like 30 minutes. So set a timer and I don't know, maybe even 20, they're kind of small. So maybe we'll do 20 minutes and then we'll check back in on it with you. English. All right, next step, you wanna grab your cauliflower. Cameraman, can you help me? Thank you. All right, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna open cauliflower.
Baby.
Ugh, okay, we did it. And then we're gonna pour it into this boiling water and try not to burn ourselves. So we just kind of do this. Ta-da! And then we're gonna get a second thing of cauliflower because we're hungry. Wait, you wanna do 2?
I just got 2 because I didn't.
Should we do 2 or 1?
It's up to you.
We'll do 1. We'll do 1. We'll do 1. And I don't know where the potatoes are, but I will find them.
Right over there.
Potatoes are right here, guys. Come on. And then we just go like this, rinse them under some water. We don't want all that dirty, gross water in our boiling water. Heck no. And then we get this guy, and we grab like a couple handfuls of potatoes. Throw them in there. Great. So here are our babies, potatoes, cauliflower. And we're gonna let them boil for like 10-ish minutes, 10, 12-ish minutes until they're nice and soft and delicious. All right, it's time. Time is now. Timer is off, so we're gonna hit cancel on our handy dandy stove. And then we're gonna hit broil. And then we're gonna hit start. And then we're gonna broil that for like 5 minutes. And then this cauliflower, it's done. It's nice and like soft. So we turn that off. We're gonna leave the potatoes on for a little bit because I like my potatoes al dente. So we're gonna leave that in for a little bit. And check back with you in like 5 minutes. It's on fire. Stop jumping, Bella. Put it down, put it down, put it down, down. If you leave too much stuff on the pan will, ow. The pan will bend and stuff will start burning. So that's kind of what happened here. But now we will go on to phase 2 of this. It smells a little bit like burning plastic, but it's okay. It's not nothing to be concerned about. Okay, now I will show you the most crucial step of this whole process. You want to open up your little salmon baby here, and you want to get a spoonful of cauliflower, maybe more. And all you want to do is plop it into your little bed so it soaks up some of these nice lemon butter juices. And then we're gonna go over here, and the key is you want 4 potatoes, but we'll grab, no it wasn't, it was 4, so it's 4. You got 4 potatoes. and you plop them into, and then you cut them in half so they soak up all this juice. And I'll be back with you when we're finished. Okay, so this is what your salmon should look like at the end. You got your nice cauliflowers, you got your nice salmon. You wanna cut into it and it's nice and soft, flaky, light colored, delicious. All right, now we're going to taste test. We got some nice cauliflower and some nice salmon on our fork. It's really hot. Like really, really, really hot. But it's delicious. Mmm. Great. It's so hot it's burning off my flesh, but this is like the best salmon I've ever made. It's delicious.